Going to the beach. In the cave.
Padang, padang. Got our new rings. Bali!
Welcome to Bali.
We're in Bali, my favourite place ever. Wow! Off for our gorgeous first day in Bali. Peace.
Peace. Give me down then.
That is ridiculous. Get used to this lifestyle.
Yeah, it's alright this.
Pina coladas, beers, by the water.
Lovely.
We actually couldn't get down to the beach club. It's basically, it's like before 6 you pay a certain amount, and then after 6 it was like 5:10 we were like, we're not gonna pay. So we've just come up here and it's bloody sunny.
I'm not paying a full day of entry for an hour, I'll tell you that for free.
Kieran was probably kicking off.
No, for an hour. I paid a full day's entry for an hour. This worked out perfectly.
Yeah, we'll go tomorrow and we'll go somewhere early. But let's just pan this around just so you can see where we are. What the hell? Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And we just had a few cheeky skewers. Mahi and scallops.
Snack.
Honestly, love a life. I would be there. This is honestly unbelievable. I already feel so zen. I'm like, wow, this is just stunning.
Goodbye. Right, sunset. Try him.
So this is one of my favourite fruits ever. The mangosteen. We've just picked up 2 for Kieran to try.
I thought you were talking about me.
Oh, you're my favourite fruit too. My favourite fruit. Yeah, so we're gonna go try this. Very exciting.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, she is.
There she is.
Oh wow.
It's good, isn't it?
That's unreal.
Oh.
A little bit of the skin.
Yeah, the
That's
skin's
so good.
really bitter.
Yeah.
Do you know who you look like right now?
Oh.
Like David Beckham in like 2002.
That is what I used to go in the hairdressers and ask for, so it's good to know I haven't changed.
Thank you so much. Gorgeous.
Thank you.
Yeah, lobby.
Breakfast time.
Vloggy J is back.
Vloggy J. Vloggy Lobby J.
Vloggy Lobby J. Have we had the lob on the vlog yet?
Yeah.
Oh, we have.
Yeah, we mentioned it. Morning, how are you? Good, thank you. How gorgeous this is. I'm gonna need my sunglasses on. Oh, one of the Cokes here, right? We're off for breakfast at ours, which is like on Bingham Beach. Then we're gonna do a bit of beach hopping. And then hopefully we're gonna go to Sevilla today, which is the number 6 club in the whole world. So, big day.
And we got a bit drunk last night.
Bit drunk is an understatement.
I was hammered.
Kieran, how many bintangs did you have?
10 bintangs and 2 tequila shots. That's enough to topple any man.
He's not proud. He's not proud of it. We had a lot of cocktails, but they were bloody lovely. Stunning. So big day for us.
Ooh, I can hear the sea. Yeah, baby. I can see her down there. Go into the beach. Go into the beach. Me and Meggie, Bobby Red, going down to the beach.
Ours is down there.
Which way?
Ours is down there, I
Down
think.
this way. We're going down. I'll be honest, this isn't quite the picturesque walk down to the beach I thought we were going to be doing. There is a little sign here though that says to the beach. Yeah, we're going down here, Babs. Bit confused. Supposed to walk to the beach. Feel like whatever was here is not here anymore. We just spoke to a very nice Irish man who told us that basically the government have come and knocked down all of the little cafes and restaurants on this nice beach.
I knew I wasn't going crazy.
And
So I was like, I've been here.
Apparently they were built illegally or something, and the government is gonna probably build something of their own here. But
Really sad because it was so pretty.
yeah, it's well, it just looks like a destruction site. Is that a thing? Not a construction site, a destruction
It
site.
looks like a tip, like.
Is that a tip? Yeah. Well,
Very
that is a
sad.
shame. Bingham Beach is now not on the menu for us today.
Yeah,
we
no.
will go
we
somewhere
were like,
else.
yes, we're so close to Bingham Beach. But we'll go Abracadabra. I
Okay.
went there last time, and that's on the hill, so it should still be there.
Let's go.
Let's pray. They love a step in Bali. Come on.
This is cute.
Trying to find videos of me on Bingham Beach.
Be aware of the monkeys. I'm looking at one.
Stay away from me.
Please be aware of the monkeys. It's okay. Oh, I really want to see a monkey. This is beautiful. In the cave. Oh no.
They definitely take me.
We made it to the beach. Thank you, Jay. I think we're gonna get quite wet soon because this water is. It doesn't look that close right now, but I promise you, it was just there. It was just there. We made it to the beach, guys.
Padang, padang.
Padang, padang.
Bang, bang.
We tried to go to Bingham Beach, but it's been, well, demolished by the government, so...
Very sad. I actually have a video 2 years ago where I went and it was like gorgeous. I just showed Kieran the video. I was like, I swear there was stuff here. But it's been destroyed. But Padang's still here.
Padang's still here and it's buzzing. So many people. It's supposed to be like rainy season right now, and it was raining all day yesterday. But we did a sun dance and now we're in the blazing hot sunshine.
Actually, so hot. Like,
It is well on.
like that's sweat dripping off my nose.
But Bali has been good to us, hasn't it?
It's the best.
Sad.
There's actually nowhere like it.
3 days is not long enough, but glad we did it anyway.
Yeah, I'm so glad we're here. It's so good to be back.
And we've got, where we go? Oh, we're going to try and go to Sevilla tonight, which is like number 6 best club in the world or something. So it's a bit of a beach club, so watch sunset, watch some music, be nice. And then off to Japan tomorrow.
To see my bestie.
Right,
Can't wait.
anything else?
No, just get me in the sea.
Get me in the sea.
ASAP Rocky.
Scared of the water? The baby. Baby on the beach. Ooh. It's the beach. The baby. Right guys, we've got an old-fashioned defence system in place here. The water is coming in. I have created a moat which will defend us. Look, see? Defence system, that was the first moat. First moat just kills it a bit. And if it's a big wave, the second moat eats it. What do you think, Maggie J? Do you agree? Look, safe. We are safe.
It's going to take the...
They have copied me over there, but their moat is nowhere near the level of my moat. My moat is, look, safe. We are safe. It's a wet one.
Silly.
Everyone's got brollies.
Not us. Where are we off to, Kieran?
Off to do my first ever Pilates class.
Reformer Pilates.
Reformer Pilates, sorry.
He's got a pair of my Reformer socks on.
Quite nice actually.
And it's torrential rain outside.
It's a proper rainy season in Bali right now.
I think it's really cool.
It is cool.
It's very cool. We did think we'd have a bit of sunshine today, but hey ho.
You never know with weather around here though, it could just pop out.
Yeah. Maybe from 10. It's also really dark.
It's cloudy, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm excited. So here we go, a bit of Reformer.
Excited?
Gonna smash it.
No.
Lovely bit of rain. Right, we're off to do a jewellery making class because it's raining, it's not anymore. We're late, so off we go. These are our chosen ones.
Slow down.
Some for swirly whirly.
Swirly whirly.
I've got for a beaten up fab. Start for the jewellery. Okay, we've just finished. Got our new rings.
Oh wait,
Show us your ring.
it's a thumbs up
fun.
from me.
And it's a pinky up from me. So fun. Now we're gonna get our first go jack of the Hollybobs.
Which-
Kieran's never been on one.
I've never been on the back of a moped in my life. I've driven a moped. I've never been on the back of one.
So fun. So can't wait for that. Also, we got a haircut.
Yeah, if you can't tell, Meg's got no hair, and I've got a sort of omni mullet sort of type. I don't really
Come
know.
on, turn your head round to the
don't know
side. He's gone modern mullet.
I don't know what this is.
And I've gone lob. Low.
LOL. Island life.
It's one of the most prettiest coffees I've ever seen in my life.
Well good.
Love. That's heaven, that.
That's some tasty stuff right there.
Oh yeah. They're all my favourite things in one little parcel. 5:30 in the morning, leaving Bali.
Thai boy.
So sad.
Sad to be leaving.
Bollywood, you've been real. You've been so good to us. Made it to Hong Kong. Airport dad is a go. He's not happy. I'm not allowed to get a snack until we've seen the gate.
Get you a snack sweetheart, I promise.
Also, we've already witnessed like 3 people spitting in the airport. So it's in the security line, and a man behind us, she was like walking up like, and then like I watched it like slowly leave his mouth and like drop into the bin. I was like, what? And I was like, Kieran, I think that is a thing here.
What's that?
He didn't believe me, but then he's just gone to the toilet. I could hear a man going,
Oh mate, he's right next to me like they're like spitting next to me. I was like, I don't really want to be next to you.
lovely, lovely hour in Hong Kong.
I used to roll the dice, feel the fear in my enemy's eyes, listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key, next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stands upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a